So we got a 2019 Charger GT today. What we did for him is what we do for a lot of people, and it's almost where everybody in the exhaust business starts. You start off with a muffler delete, you get an idea of what the car sounds like when it's opened up a little bit, and then you give us some feedback. You tell us if it's too loud or if it's not loud enough, etc., etc. So that's exactly what we did here today. We did a muffler delete, and we put some nice 5-inch flat chrome tips to really set it off.